Class 9. Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 5 of your movement book. The title of the story is The Happy Prince. High above the city, on a tall column, stood the statue of the Happy Prince. He was gilded all over with thin lips of fine gold. For eyes, he had two bright sapphires, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. High above the city, on a tall column, that means on a tall pillar, there was the statue placed on it. The statue was covered with pieces of gold. It has two sapphire. Sapphire means a precious stone, neelam for eyes, and a large red colored precious stone called ruby shone brightly on the sword hilt means handle. One night there flew over the city a little swallow. His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before, but he had stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too. One night, this little bird called Swallow, he wanted to go to Egypt as his friends had already gone to Egypt 6 weeks ago. But he left behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt. All day long he flew, and at night time he arrived at the city. Where shall I put up? He said. I hope the town has made preparations. Then he saw the statue on the tall column. All day long the bird flew, but when night came, it came to a city. He wanted to stay for the night in the city. Then he will make preparation to go to Egypt. Then suddenly he saw the statue of the Happy Prince placed on a tall pillar in the middle of the city. I will put up there, he cried. It is a fine position with plenty of fresh air. So he alighted just between the feet of the Happy Prince. Then the bird decided to stay on the tall column where the statue was placed. He thought it was a better place for him because it was located on the high. Then the bird came down and sat between the 2 feet of the Happy Prince. I have a golden bedroom, he said softly to himself as he looked round and prepared to go to sleep. But just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. What a curious thing, he cried. There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining. Then another drop fell. What is the use of a statue if it cannot keep the rain off? He said. I must look for a good chimney pot, and he determined to fly away. The bird uh, slept between the two legs which were made of gold of the statue print. Then he looked around, and as he was about to sleep, uh, he put his head under his own wings. Suddenly a drop of water fell on his body. Then he was excited to know and shouted. He saw the cloud. There was no cloud in the sky. The stars were shining in the sky brightly and clearly, and he was surprised, yet it was raining. Then after some time another drop of water fell on his body. Then he wanted to know what had happened. Then he wanted to know. He told himself that I stayed here, but what is the use to stay here when the statue cannot keep him safe and water was falling. Then he determined to go away. But before he had opened the wings, a third drop fell, and he looked up and saw, what did he see? The eyes of the Happy Prince were filled with tears, and tears were running down his golden cheeks. His face was beautiful in the moonlight, that the little swallow was filled with pity as he wanted to go. Suddenly, third drop of water fell on his body. This time he looked up. He saw the happy prince's eyes filled with tears. Then he realized that this was not the rain falling on his body. It was the tears of the happy prince which was falling on his body, which made him very sad because of the condition of the happy prince. Students, the remaining part of the story we will study in our next video. Keep watching, keep learning. I will send the video again and again. Thank you very much.